Good morning. About to drive 7.5 to 8 hours down to the Panhandle, Florida to go house sit and dog sit for some friends. They're gonna be out of town for like 10 days, so gonna be a good time. It's gonna be hot as hell, muggy as hell, but there's a pool and there's a beach really close, so we're gonna have some fun down there. I'm going by myself. My wife's gonna fly down tomorrow and meet me because she's got to work. So off to Florida we go. Roll Tide. There's a big rocket thing passing through old Birmingham, Alabama. Still rolling tide, I guess. But kind of tough to see, but I have the AC turned off now. It is 88 degrees outside, insanely humid. The AC is off because something is wrong with it. I'm gonna have to pull over at a gas station. I'm gonna get gas and food to see what's up. Might be like a clogged air filter situation because it was fine. Once I started driving fast, after about an hour, it got really weak. But I could still hear the fan blowing hard, but air's not coming out super fast. So I think it's some kind of clog. We will see once I take a lunch break. Quick little pit stop, stretch my legs. I'm like south of Birmingham, and I only eat really healthy stuff on the road, on a road trip. It's quick and easy. All right, thank you, Alabaster, Alabama, Advanced Auto Parts. Problem is cabin air filter, and I was like, great, what is that? Where is it at? It's right behind your glove box, and it's a super easy fix. I didn't know how easy this was until I just did that. So there's the thing I need to replace. Got my new one. Looks good, like I know what I'm looking for. It looks less dirty than this one. Check this out. Pretty nasty. Pretty not nasty. That's it. And I should have cold air flowing when I am going fast on the freeway. And that was literally it. All replaced. Getting a little gas here at the Shell station. And then I'll be back on the road. About 4-ish hours to go to Florida, Panama City Beach. Away from my destination. Battery light came on. Huh, what does that mean? Looked it up. Could be alternator, could be the battery, could be a connection. And then other dashboard lights started coming on, and then went for about 20 miles and finally pulled into a gas station just to be not in the middle of nowhere. And all of a sudden I had like no power to even get in the gas station, and then I barely made it in. And then once I parked, everything turned off. So I think the battery is just conserving as much power as it can. So I'm now headed to 5 miles away in O'Reilly to get the battery tested. Called my mechanic. He was like, man, if you can just get the battery swapped out, that amount of charge should get you to where you're going, then you can worry about it tomorrow or the next day. So that's the tentative plan. We'll see what happens. So good times. Apologies for the noise. The windows are down because it's 93 degrees, humid as crap, and I have turned off everything in the car. Stopped at an O'Reilly, they tested the battery. Battery's fine. Alternator is not so fine, but it is putting out enough voltage to keep me going for now. So I've got 75 miles to go. Really crossing my fingers hard that I can make it there and I don't have to pull over in the middle of nowhere and get towed the rest of the way. So, and I'm about to hit 100,000 miles in 30 miles, so how fitting. There it is. So as you can see by me sitting in a camping chair outside the car, here's the latest. The car finally died. I was 9 miles from my friend's house in Panama City. So thankfully I got AAA Well, my wife and I have AAA. I didn't have my card on me either, so my wife sent me a screenshot of it so I can call them and all that good stuff. And they'll actually be here in 20 minutes, which is amazing. I thought it would take maybe an hour or two, but so I'm just gonna chill here in my sweet camping chair. And this is where I'm posted up now for the next 20 minutes. I will say that I am thankful that I made it as far as I did, because I went through some very, very middle of the nowhere areas today. And I would have not liked to have broken down there. So, like I said, 9 miles from our friend's house. Tow truck should be here any minute. And then I can chill and worry about it later. This is William. He's my savior today. Thank you, William. I'm en route. Look. Lifesaver.
My man.
Made it to Florida. Not the way I wanted to.